In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CoinMarketCap account. CoinMarketCap is an excellent resource for those interested in cryptocurrencies, providing up-to-date data on current market trends and prices. Setting up an account allows you to personalize your experience, keeping track of specific coins and creating alerts. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Create CoinMarketCap account and hit enter. This should bring up the CoinMarketCap website link in the search results, and that's the page we'll be heading to next. Once you've landed on the CoinMarketCap homepage, take a moment to look around if it's your first time. When you're ready, search for the sign up button or link. Click on this to begin the registration process. Now, you'll be presented with a sign up form. Here, you'll need to provide a few basic details to create your account. Enter your preferred email address and choose a strong password. Be sure to use a combination of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special symbols for a more secure password. It's crucial to choose something that's unique and not easily guessable to keep your account secure. After entering your email and password, the next thing you'll need to do is agree to their terms of service. Most sign-up pages have a checkbox to indicate your agreement with their terms, so go ahead and click on it. Ensure you've checked all the necessary boxes and feel comfortable with their terms before moving forward. Now, you're ready to create your account. Look for the Create My Account button and give it a click. This will prompt CoinMarketCap to send you a verification email. Head over to your email inbox and look for an email from CoinMarketCap. Open it and you'll find a verification code. This is an essential step as it confirms that the email address you provided is valid and is indeed yours. Once you have the code, go back to the CoinMarketCap sign-up page, input the code you received in the verification box, and proceed. This action brings you one step closer to having full access to CoinMarketCap's features. Finally, you'll see an option to confirm sign-up. Click on it, and voila, your CoinMarketCap account is now ready to use. With your new account, you can start customizing your experience, tracking specific cryptocurrencies, and creating alerts to keep you informed about market trends. Congratulations on setting up your account and happy exploring in the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies.